Hello, this is Mayor John Hamilton. It's Monday, December 14th, and I want to just share this news with the public as I try to do every week. You know, the COVID pandemic is in a very severe state. I just can't say it more directly than we need to be exceedingly careful. We're seeing deaths rise, we're seeing case numbers rise, hospitalization usage, all rising very dramatically in the state and in our county as well. We continue to have the tighter restrictions, required mask wearing, gathering limits of only 15 in the city and larger numbers outside the city. But listen, it's just going to take individual behavior beyond that, because most of the spread seems to be happening in households, in small social gatherings, even of one or two people outside your household that can spread this disease. The pandemic is here. While vaccines are beginning even today in the United States and in Indiana, we expect, they are not going to help us significantly for the next three months. So the behavior of each of us is so critical. I just implore you to reduce unneeded interactions with people outside your immediate household. And when you do have those interactions, to be exceedingly careful, recognizing that anybody can be sick at any time, even if they're not symptomatic, and spread the disease. We're losing 2 people a day now on average to death from COVID in our community, in the county. That's a number we haven't seen before. Our hospitals are seeing a lot of very sick people, and that's happening because it's spreading among us. So we will get through this, and it's such good news that the vaccines are arriving. But I just can't implore more how important it is to be very careful, vigilant, energetically being cautious over the next 2 or 3 months until the vaccinations really reach a large number of us. We know the healthcare workers are getting them early, which is great, so they can keep taking care of us. But that's really what I want to say this week. With holidays approaching, please think about how you're going to interact with folks in what I know will be a difficult and different holiday. Please think about doing it remotely. If you do see people, don't spend a lot of time close indoors with folks, but just be careful. We will get through it, but the next few months are incredibly important. So thank you for being very careful, taking care of each other in Bloomington.